everybody? Hope everybody's having a great night. Just wanted to reach out and say hello, let you guys know that I just gave my second class as far as the Handy Gym goes. We were able to teach this wonderful user of the Handy Gym how to get an eccentric phase on the Handy Gym. Guys, it might not be easy at first, but once you catch it, it's like riding a bike. You'll never forget it. And once you get that eccentric phase, you are building muscle on the Handy Gym off the bat. It's the closest thing you're going to get to a tonal. Closest thing, guys. It's like a mobile tonal. I've been saying it from the beginning. Tonal has an eccentric mode on it. So it loads up on the eccentric phase. And guys, when you load up on that eccentric phase, you are tearing muscle down so it can just get built back up. Happy to say that Handy Gym is the same way, guys. It has that phase, and it has a very powerful eccentric phase. Very, very powerful. So powerful that it might even be too powerful once you learn how to use it. All right, guys? So super happy to say we had our second class, my second class tonight. Made my night to be able to do it. Made my night to be able to see the joy on this user's face once he found out how to catch an eccentric phase in this machine. Makes all the difference in the world. Also want to show off some new gear that I got, guys. We got a Handy Gym shirt on. Check this out. So happy, so happy. Got a nice Handy Gym shirt. I get to show off my new favorite machine. Super happy to have this shirt. I'm proud to wear it. And I can't wait to help more of you guys learn how to do whatever it is you have to do on the Handy Gym, guys. And hopefully we'll have this thing relocated soon enough so that I can teach you guys how to do whatever else you need to know on the tonal also. So anyway, have a great night. Be safe. Hope all is well with all you guys. And I'll catch you guys at the next video.